Hello and a very good morning to you. So after days of sunshine, it's going to be another sunny start to the weekend, but change is afoot. So we have the high pressure that's been in charge for the last couple of days moving away to the east, allowing some low pressure systems and some frontal systems to move across through the day on Saturday. And it's this cold frontal system that's starting to move in through Sunday that'll be introducing some much cooler and fresher weather across the UK, and it'll be a much cooler feel as we end the weekend. Back to this morning though, so it will be a chilly start but bright across the board for most places. So another sunny start to the weekend, but we do start to see change arriving from the southwest. Parts of Devon, Cornwall are moving into Wales and then Northern Ireland later, turning cloudier with some outbreaks of rain, which could be a touch heavy at times. Further east though, that cloud does slowly and steadily spread across as we head in towards the afternoon, but there should still be some bright sunshine around and feeling quite warm there. So the best of the sunshine and the warmest temperatures will be across the east of the country on Saturday. We could still see temperatures up to 23 degrees, perhaps even up to 24 in a few isolated spots on Saturday. So still warm here, but further west underneath the cloud, a touch down. So temperatures into the mid-teens and certainly feeling a little bit cooler and fresher than it has done of late. Moving through the rest of Saturday evening then, those showers continue to spread north and eastwards, particularly across parts of the south and southeast. They could be quite heavy at times. Further showers and spells of rain turning heavier across Scotland for a time overnight, but largely clearing apart from the very far northeast of Scotland into the early hours of Sunday. And with that cloud and with that wind as well, it's going to be a particularly mild start to the day, particularly across eastern parts. We're seeing some quite cool and fresh mornings this week. And again, further west, it's going to be fairly mild, but in the cooler air for parts of Northern Ireland and western Scotland, it will be another chilly start to the day on Sunday. So in this cool and fresh air mass, we're going to start to see some cool air moving across. Could be some wintry showers over the high ground of Scotland, and there'll be further showers spreading eastwards as we head through the day. There will be some brighter spells, so it's not going to be wall-to-wall showers, but there will be certainly a lot more cloud than we've seen of late, and those temperatures will be lower as well. The warmest air still clinging on into the far southeast. We could get somewhere into the mid-high teens there, but further west, particularly across parts of Wales, Northern Ireland and Scotland, only just scraping into the double figures on Sunday, and it certainly will be feeling cooler with that extra cloud and with a touch of a breeze as well. Through the rest of Sunday evening, it's going to be holding on to quite an unsettled picture through the rest of this week. So if you want to find out what next week has in store, please do check out our YouTube channel.